It's afternoon time, and cross member's been suitably bodged again. I now got this giant 16-inch fan which has been kicking around for quite some time. Just dropped on the floor. Oh, you just saw that live and direct. Oh God, you can't make this shit up. Stupid boy. I was calling it a day anyway because I'm bloody knackered. Look at that, I broke it. You stupid boy. Well, I did say this was an amateur job, so yeah. Should we crawl underneath yet? No, let's just go in here. So I took the side out there because it was so badly welded, and I've knocked up an upper hoop. I'm going to weld that back half in tomorrow, and that'll give me some vertical stability on the rear of the gearbox then, so it won't hang down with the weight of the floor, because it was pulling itself down on the weight of the floor before. And my cross member again has evolved to make it 1/4 of an inch higher, angle it back about 5 degrees maybe. Same on that side. I've extended the back out here. I'll put another bolt up through there to support the rear of that. Notice how the bottom of the chassis rail kicks up at a nice jaunty angle there. That's not my crappy fabricating. That is actually the bloody chassis rail. So got a nice bit of clearance around here, and a nice bit of clearance all the way around there, which will do nicely, sir. And that lot kind of still where it is, but with the hoop. So there you go, one long bloody day. Oh, I suppose the only thing left to do now, after breaking my fan live and direct in front of all 10 viewers, the only thing to do now is go and visit the fridge, really, and just give you a quick update on all the junk. Look at all that lot stuffed in there, eh? You could say I fit in with Thai people quite nicely. Right then, what we got in the fridge? Oh, here we go. Hello, Mr. Featherbrow. Right, that's it until tomorrow. Cheerio now.